the beautiful waterfalls in Sri Lanka, Devon Falls. Devon Falls is situated in Nuwara district. This waterfall is 97 meters high. It has been named after pioneer English tea planter named Devon. Kirindi Island. This natural waterfalls, which is 116 meters high, is created by the tributary of the Denavaka river called Kirindi. Kirindi falls in the Ratnapura district. This is the 7th highest waterfall in Sri Lanka. Diyaluma Falls. Diyaluma Falls is 220 meters high and the 2nd highest waterfall in Sri Lanka. It is situated in Badulla district. Baker's Falls. Baker's Falls is situated in Nuwara district. It stands at a height of 20 meters. This is a famous waterfall in Sri Lanka. Bambarakanda Falls. Bambarakanda Falls is the tallest waterfall in Sri Lanka with a height of 263 meters, situated in Badulla district. It ranks as the 461st highest waterfall in the world. St.Clair's Falls. St.Clair's Falls is one of the widest waterfall in Sri Lanka. It is situated in Nuwara district with a height of 80 meters. Dunhinda Falls. Dunhinda Falls is very majestic looking waterfall situated in Badulla district. It is 67 meters high. Due to its smoky water drop spray, it is also named the Bridal Falls. Gartmore Falls. Gartmore Falls is situated in Nuwara district. It is 25 meters in height and also known as Sri Falls or Adams Peaks Falls. Ravana Falls. Ravana Falls is situated in Badulla district. It stands at a height of 25 meters. Its elevation is 1050 meters above sea level. Bomuru Falls. Bomuru waterfall is situated in border of the Nuwara and Badulla district. It is 50 meters high. Bomuru Falls, also known as Ravana Falls, is the biggest waterfall in Sri Lanka. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell button for more videos.